When most people think about robotic pool cleaners, they think about suction. But suction alone has a fundamental limitation, especially when it comes to floating debris. Leaves, insects, pollen, and fine particles don't always move straight forward toward the suction inlet. As a robot moves forward, the water naturally splits and flows around the sides of the body, carrying the debris with it. That's why traditional suction-only cleaners often leave floating debris behind even after multiple passes. This is exactly the problem that JetPulse technology was designed to solve. So let's dive in. JetPulse is an industry-first twin-jet system designed specifically for water surface cleaning. It actively captures floating debris like leaves, pollen, insects, hair, and other particles. Instead of relying on suction alone, the Sora 70 uses two dedicated water jets positioned on the left and right sides of the robot here and here. Each jet simultaneously produces two water flows, both inward and outward. This creates 4 coordinated water streams that work together to capture floating debris as the robot moves across the surface. The goal of JetPulse is simple: control how the water moves so floating debris can't escape. This technology is the industry's first and exclusive in this category. And at this price, the Sora 70 is also the only robotic pool cleaner offering true 4-in-1 cleaning: surface, floor, walls, and waterline, making it a more complete solution for everyday pool maintenance. Like I briefly touched on earlier, as traditional robot cleaners move forward, the water naturally divides into 2 paths. Some water flows toward the suction inlet, another portion flows around the sides of the robot. This side bypass is the core reason why traditional cleaners miss the debris on the water surface. So we developed JetPulse directly to address this issue. Let's see how it works step by step. Each JetPulse water jet produces an inward directed stream. These inward flows create converging water currents that actively guide flowing debris and fine particles toward the center suction inlet. This improves capture efficiency, especially for lightweight debris that would normally float past or get pushed aside. At the same time of that inward stream, each jet also produces an outward directed stream. These outward flows extend beyond the sides of the robot, forming powerful water barriers. Their job is to block water and debris from bypassing around the robot's edges. Think of it as creating invisible sidewalls made of moving water. By preventing this side bypass flow, JetPulse ensures that more debris-laden water is forced into the capture zone. This 4-stream coordination ensures consistent debris capture even when the robot is moving in motion. As a result, the surface gets cleaned in fewer passes and overall cleaning time is reduced. Floating debris typically tends to accumulate near the walls, edges, and the corners. To address this, Sora 70 uses 4 guide wheels, 2 on each side located here and here, that allow the robot to navigate closer to the pool's edges without losing stability or efficiency. The result is more consistent surface cleaning, including areas where other robots may struggle to reach. You can also specifically control the surface cleaning in the app. If debris collects in a specific area, for example after a windstorm or nearby landscaping, you can direct the robot to that spot through the app, delivering targeted, hands-free water surface cleaning. From a pool owner's point of view, JetPulse makes surface cleaning easier and more reliable. The result is noticeably cleaner water surface with less manual skimming and more consistent day-to-day performance. So if you're tired of dealing with floating debris every day, tired of cleaning your pool manually, or if you're tired of paying a monthly pool cleaning service, this is definitely a great solution that's worth considering. If this video helped you, feel free to give it a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions about your pool. And if you enjoy our straightforward and in-depth reviews just like this, click that subscribe button for more. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.